the recommendations of the Advisory Committee for the Meghalaya Day Award 2021. The following names were given by the Advisory Committee for the Utirot Singh Award for Art and Literature, the Pathogan N. Sangma Award for Social Services, and the U Kyang Nangba Award for Sports. And the names which were given were Shri Raphael Wajri for the Utirot Singh Award for Arts and Literature, Reverend Dil Singh M. Sangma for the Pathogan N. Sangma Award for Social Services, and Shri Hame Shania Suyam for the U Kyang Nangba Award for Sports and Games. So these were approved by the cabinet, and these names have been approved by the cabinet.